Welcome to my review of the Navitel RS990. This is a GPS equipped dual dash camera, and by dual dash camera I mean it covers the front or outside the front windscreen of your vehicle and also the rear view as well. Comes supplied in this box and you're seeing the box contents here. We'll go over the box contents and the performance very shortly. Let's just take a look at the box because it gives you some details about the specifications. So the front camera captures in 4K resolution, very high resolution, and I'll tell you about the quality in the middle part of this video. Also, the rear camera captures in full HD. We've got 160-degree field of view from the front camera. Also, SD card support up to 512 gigabytes. We've got smart driver assist, night vision pro, Starvis 2 sensor, Wi-Fi, also G sensor here as well, so if you were unfortunately involved in a road traffic accident, the G sensor would sense that and it would protect the video files. Also we've got GPS, we've got camera informer and HDR footage as well. So this is packed full of awesome technology. You can watch the videos on your smartphone or tablet as well and adjust the settings. We've also got an adjustable warnings database, speed control as well. We've got this really excellent advanced driver assistance system built in, USB-C charging port. It's just really a great system. Now inside the box, we of course get the two cameras, the main unit and the rear view camera. We also get a user manual and a license key for the software. We get a 12-volt vehicle accessory socket adapter. So this goes into your 12-volt vehicle accessory socket. It gives you a USB-A and a USB-C port. And then you'll use that with this cable here. This is USB-C to USB-A. And this will actually give power to your camera. And then between the front camera and the rear camera, you can run this longer cable through to the rear camera. And it's also got a little sticky pad there as well to just make it a lot easier to keep the cabling nice and tidy. Then we get some mounts as well. So we get this really nice sticky pad mount for the camera. We also get some additional adhesive pads and also some blank glossy stickers as well. You can use these in case you've got like a rougher surface that you need to adhere the camera to. And then we get the two cameras. We'll take a quick look at the rear camera first of all. So this is the camera that's going to plug through to the main unit here. And it gives you a rear view from the back window of your vehicle. Little sticky pad here, and it's really nicely designed. We've got the port that you're going to plug in, and this captures full HD video. Really crisp video in fact, better than a lot of rear view cameras I've seen, and it works extremely well. And then we've got the front camera, so really nice large screen on this. We've got nice buttons across the bottom for interacting with the various menu systems. Main power on off button on here as well. And we've got menu up and down. On the side here we've got the slot for the memory card and a reset switch. And then on this side here we've got the USB Type-C, microphone and also a nav port as well. And then if we take a look on the underside, this is where you're going to mount the camera. And then we've also of course got the main camera and lens, and this has got some rotation on the angle, so you can adjust this really nicely. And this front camera, as I mentioned earlier, captures in 4K resolution. Very crisp and high quality and well defined video footage captured by this. This in fact, to date, I know I've tested a lot of cameras over my years of reviewing, this produces the best quality video I've seen from a dash camera since I started reviewing technology. This is very well defined, the colours are great, and if you do need to sort of recall finer details in the video, this is going to offer up that ability. Menu system's great, everything about this system is simply stunning. I can highly recommend this product. And why would you want a dash camera? Well, if you install a dash camera, it gives you peace of mind. If you're witness to or involved in a road traffic accident or another incident, you've got video footage that might be permissible as evidence. Also, some, not all, but some insurance companies will give you a discount off of your insurance premium if you install a dash camera in your vehicle. So that's well worth checking out with your insurance company. The Navitel RS990 GPS, the GPS feature as well, so we've got good location tagging on the video footage that's captured, is simply stunning. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description area. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.